Hey, good morning. How you doing today? So today I'm gonna make a very simple breakfast. Fortunately or unfortunately, I'm the only one at home this morning. My son, that is always behind the camera, has gone to school. My wife is not around, so I just want to make a simple breakfast for my son. So I'm making Àkàrà and Ògì. Some people call Akara beans cake. I don't care. I don't call what's Akara. Simple and short. Akara. So yeah, it's Akara. So Akara is made from beans. Um, Simple beans. Remember the beans? Just about the same process the way I made momoy. You can go and check some of my previous videos to see how I made momoy. Momoy is made from the beans, and aka is also made from beans. It's about the same process. We're gonna add water to this, let it soak for about 5 minutes, and then peel off the back, and then blend it with pepper. This is habanero pepper. One pepper is enough for this one I want to make because it's just for me, and onion, and that's it. When you blend it, and then we start frying. The difference between making ogi and akara is that in momoin and akara, and momoin you had to add oil and stir oil with it, but with akara you don't add oil, so it's about the same thing. Add salt, add some bouillon. If you want to add some bacon, you may even want to put some shrimps. Anything you want to add to it is about the same thing, and stir it, but don't add oil when you want to fry akara. So we're gonna fry akara and make some ogi. This one, ogi is made from corn, dry corn. They soak it and grind. If you want to learn how to make ogi, you can send me questions. I know who to contact. I'll go talk to my grandma. Our grandma is here. Anytime we need ogi, we just go to our house and pick up containers like this. And sometimes when she doesn't have handy, we go to the African store. So you can get this in the African store. But she makes a very special one. I'm talking about grandma up there. So, but this one, I got this one at the African store, and it's not expensive. This is about less than £2. It says £1 is one dollar 39 cents. So the total cost for this one is about $2.62. So which is less than $3 for this kind of ogi. So if you want to learn how to make ogi, just put a question out there. I'll go talk to grandma. She's going to teach you how to make it. So let's go. Let's go make our ogi and akara for breakfast this morning. So here I added water to the beans. I'll let it stand for maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So here's the ogi paste. 2 to 3 spoons is enough for at least one person. So I'll show you how to make ogis. Ogi with some brown sugar. I'm gonna add water and stir it to make it look liquidy. So here's the liquid form ogi. I added some sugar, brown sugar, to stir it together, make it liquid, and we're gonna boil water and add water to it, and that's it. Just watch me. All right, so let's start the akara frying. Welcome to Babal Akaras. So one of the things I do is I try to test one. Remember the consistency of the beans, the blended beans. Don't let it be too liquidy. Let it be pasty like this. So what I do is I try to test one akara. I put one. Yeah, why I do this so that I can taste and see if the salt is good enough. Make sure you have your fork handy to keep turning. You don't want the granite oil to be too hot. when you put the akara, don't let it be too hot. Just make sure it's just averagely hot enough, because if it's too hot, it's gonna burn, do quickly, and it will not be done. That means it's not gonna get inside well done. It won't be well done inside. So I try to fry just one to see and taste it. If it's good enough, I say okay, it's sweet enough. If I need to add some more salt, I'll just add a little more salt, and just to my taste. That's what I like to do. So, all right. So let's continue to fry akara. Okay, so while I continue to make akara, remember I have the water boiling for the ogi. I'm gonna use the water for the ogi, okay? Just watch me. Once the water is boiled, I'm gonna pour it into that uh, made ogi paste with sugar, brown sugar, and if it solidifies, good. If it doesn't, I'm gonna put it in some pot and put it on fire, just medium heat, and continue to stir it until it gets hard. Just watch me, okay? The akara is doing well. We got quite a number of balls that we've made already. So the ogi did not solidify like I wanted to. So what you have to do is just put it in a pot and put it on fire and keep on stirring. You have to keep on stirring. Just keep on stirring. It's gonna keep on solidifying. So welcome back. Yeah, it's time to do this. So we got everything all together now. It's a popular breakfast. Come eat with me. It's akara, and ogi, eko pap akamu. So for this akamu, I told you how to make it. Just get it's made from corn paste. Stir it together. Pour some hot water and put it on medium heat and keep on stirring, or this becomes solid this way. And the akara is very easy, just like you're doing memoy. This one with beans, you blend it, put some habanero, put some onion, and stir it together. Don't let it be too liquidy like you do for memoy. And put some oil on the fire, on the fry pan, and start frying. That's it. It's as simple as that. With that little beans that you saw me with, I was able to get about 8 balls of akara. And that's good enough for me. I eat about 6, 7 average. If I eat more than that, I'm gonna kill everybody in the house. You know what that means. So for this ogi, I like to add some milk to it. I like to add milk to my ogi. So you can, if you like, it's optional. I like to add some milk to it. Yeah, I like to add some milk. And my beautiful akara. And you can continue to put some brown sugar if you think it's not sweet enough. You want to eat with me? It's always good to eat this when it's hot. When it's still hot.